Howdy y'all, welcome back to another episode. In this video we are actually doing some trout fishing, some epic trout fishing, but I want to come clean. I made a huge boo-boo. I did not film as much as I should have, on the fact that there was a lot of people showing up to the place where we trout fishing. They was fishing our holes that we've been fishing, like too many cooks in the kitchen basically. The first couple of days we started figuring them out and started catching fish. But other than that, it was just a mess of people, and I didn't want to just film and we didn't catch anything. But we slayed, so I ain't gonna make that mistake again. I'm gonna film everything, and if we botch, I'm just gonna delete it, and y'all ain't gonna see that video. That being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and before we get into it, I want you to go down below and hit the like button, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and hit the bell for you to be notified, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to do that. You seriously want to do that, because I got some saltwater fishing coming up, got some challenge ideas, you know what I'm saying? A little ideas to try up there if you don't want to miss that. I'm doing some more shark fishing, and if you've seen our last video, you do not know what I'm going to get into. If you want to see that video, right up here, you know what I'm saying? And I got some big bucks on camera for first season. I'm going to do some more squirrel hunting videos, of course, because you loved the last one, a long range shoot one. Y'all loved it. So, you want to see all that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, y'all. You know, when we do all that. And on that note, y'all, let's get into some trout fishing. Huh. I caught a crowdy dish. Come here. Don't you dare. Oh, rip. One of his claws came off. Now what?
Oh, it's too late now.
Crap on it.
I know since you fell in.
Well, update for y'all. Trying to lure for a little while. If we don't catch squat, we're moving spots and see if we can find something else. If that's a thing. There you go, Daddy.
It swallowed it. Blood coming down of it.
He did.
What is it?
There you go. Well, Daddy on a roll now. Where am I getting across here with the fish?
Stop. There you go.
Haha. Man, there's a hole right there, son, ain't it? Oh, I see a place we can get. Bada boom, bada bing. Nice little chatty boy. Just hit record on this little thing. That was a good thump right there. Here's the sauce of the day, y'all. We're recording. Yeah. Sauce of the day. Come on. Then stop hitting it. Going do. Hey, I'm setting the hook on a rock. There you go. Here to caught a fish. I got a mess. I tried to reel, my reel got tangled up. Put him on the stringer first.
That's a little bigger, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit more healthy. There you go, Daddy. Here we go. I can get it out right here. Now he's on he in the grease now. Right now. There you go, Daddy. Edie.
You caught a big one.
Voila. back at it again. There you go, Daddy. Oh, he acrobat. Look at that. Yeah. No, no. There you go, Daddy. I'll cast once or twice, and then if we don't get catching up, we can. I don't know if we caught any under there or not. I don't think we ever fished that bridge. Because remember, like, the first year we done it, we walked upside the hill and there's like 2 people fishing under that bridge. And we seen them like catch them out of there. So it may, if we go up that way, it may be another like bridge moment like down yonder. Easy does it.